As a front-end developer, we need to get familiar with a lot of tools. And one such tool is Figma. A lot of our clients share design link, maybe from office. Our boss gives us the design link, and they ask us to follow that design and work with that Figma. So, as a developer, not as a UI UX designer, as a developer, how we should learn this? Maybe within few videos, because we are not designer, we don't need to learn too many of the things. We just need to get the basics so that we can work with the tool. And that is what the focus of this series or this particular crash course. Let's go ahead and try to see as a developer how we can utilize Figma even for our own some ideas generation or maybe concepts, and get familiar with this tool. Let's go ahead and get started. Well, this is the website called figma.com. Once you go there, you can see a lot of things. Now, yeah, you can scroll. Let's just create an account quickly. Click on get started. I'm going to take a temporary email address because with my email, one account is already there. So let's copy here and give a password. I agree and click on create account. It will ask, you can save it, just maybe yes, save. It will say, please check your email. Here it is. Just click on verify email. All right. It's taking too much of a time. Come on, don't do that. All right. So now it asking some questions. Try to skip it. If not, then just give random informations. If you like, you can give, but yeah, forgive it. Nobody skip. Other continue. It's my first time. Continue starter, not the professional, because then we have to pay. And in the beginning, maybe we don't want to pay. That's why design with Figma. Click on finish. It will land us somewhere and we don't want to save. Now just click on this from left side, click on this F icon and go back to files. This is Figma dashboard, and this is how, and this is where we control all of our files. We delete, create, and a lot of stuff. In case you are a fan of a dark mode, just click on this name and click on theme, dark. It will be dark. Click on design file. And now we can design however we like. But how? How do we do it? Remember when we were like in school, in our child times, remember when we were in school in first standard or maybe second standard, we were doing a lot of drawings in our notebook. So yeah, we can recall it. But on what we were drawing it? On some papers, definitely. But where is our paper? To take a paper, on top of that, we can do some drawings and do some stuff. Just click on this this icon. Now you will see your mouse icon become like this plus. If you click your mouse, and do not leave it, please. If you click on your mouse and move it around, it will be like this. You can do however you like, and once you leave it, it will become white. This is our paper. And now on top of this paper, it's on us what we want to do and how we want to use it. You have noticed one thing, that we can, let's delete this frame, just select it, delete. Once we click on frame, we have a lot of options, iPhone and also desktop. If we just click on MacBook, your 14-inch, you see this notebook in front of us. So these are pre-made pages with defined sizes. If someone wants to design a user interface, maybe for website or maybe Android application, they're gonna just click on phone and choose a phone, maybe iPhone 14 plus, and now they can design the UI here. So UI UX guys takes advantage of these options a lot. So in the next video, we will try to see that on top of this page, what we can achieve and how should we move on. Let's go ahead and catch you up in the next video.